Alright. Assalamualaikum. How you doing, Krishan? Hey, gonna make this video for you, doing the showing the Arabic alphabet. I have Amir and Adam here, gonna help me with the recitation or the pronunciation. I used to teach the Arabic class downtown. I haven't done it in a while, but I want to just go over this for you so you can practice at your own discretion and during your own free time, whatever. In the Arabic alphabet, you have three different sounds, vowel sounds. You have the fatha, and this is the fatha is this here. This would be the letter, and the fatha makes the ah sound, the a sound. You have the kasra. The kasra will be below the letter. This would be the letter, and the kasra makes the sound, or the I or E sound.
Doma.
And then you have the doma. The doma, and this would be the letter. It sits over the letter, and it makes the oo sound. And what we're going to do, we're going to pronounce each alphabet. There's 29 letters in the Arabic alphabet. Some don't count the hamza. Hamza is not necessarily a letter, and it's also not necessarily a sound. It brings the pronunciation to a halt. It's not a sukoon either. We'll go over that in another demonstration. But I have Amir and Adam here. Amir, he's your age. He's 14. I'm not too sure when you turn 15. And Adam, he's 8. We haven't done it in a while, but they're familiar with these letters. But they're going to help me with the pronunciation. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pronounce the letter with each vowel sound. And every time I pronounce the letter with the vowel sound, they're going to pronounce the letter with the vowel sound right after me. And we're going to do it a total of
3 times?
well, 3 times. Okay, is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do a total of 3 times. And it's good to go over it like this here on a regular basis so you can learn how to pronounce the letters and actually eventually start reading. Alright, so before we're going to get started, we're going to get it started off as Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First is A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And if I can get you all to repeat after me. A. Ba. E. U. Ba. Be. Boo. Ta. Te. Tu. Da. De. Thu. Ja. Je. Ju. Ha. He. Hu. Ka. Ke. Ku. Da. De. Do. Tha. The. Thu. Ra. Re. Ru. Za. Ze. Zu. Sa. Se. Su. Sha. She. Shu. Saw. Se. Su. Da. De. Do. Ta. Te. Tu. Thaw. The. Thu. Ah. E. O. Ga. Gi. Gu. Fa. Fi. Fu. Ha. Ke. Ku. Ka. Ke. Ku. La. Le. Lu. Ma. Me. Mu. Na. Ni. Nu. Ha. He. Hu. Wa. We. Wo. Ya. Ye. You. Hamza. Alhamdulillah. That was great, man. I really appreciate it. I owe you guys. Hopefully y'all won't charge me too much. Tell you what, we're just going to do it twice because it is sort of lengthy. And I think he got it. But we'll do it a second time just to reconfirm. And then I guess that'll be all unless you have a question. about what you see on the board. But I appreciate if y'all can, one more time, repeat after me. Ah, ooh, ba, be, boo, ta, ti, tu, tha, de, thu, ja, je, ju, ho, he, hu, ho, he, ku, da, de, du, tha, de, thu, ra, re, ru, za, ze, zu, sa, se, su, sha, she, shu, so, se, su, do, de, du, to, te, tu, tho, te, thu, ai, o, ga, gi, u, fa, fi, fu, ko, ke, ku, ka, ke, ku, la, le, lu, ma, me, mu, na, ni, nu, ha, he, hu, wa, we, wo, ya, ye, you, Hamza. All right. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I thought we were doing that 3 times.
Now we do it 2 times. I'm pretty sure he got it. He's about 14 years old. And this your cousins. That's them. Where's Adam? And there's Amir. Right there. I guess he don't want to turn his head over there. Say hello or anything like that. Hold on. Let me turn it this way. There they go. Right there. Y'all want to say hello?
Hello.
Alright, man. Alright, thanks a lot, Amir. Alright, appreciate it. You can go, man. Thanks a lot, Adam. You can go too.
Dad,
Yes.
I thought we were going to do like circle or shutdown.